Hello ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's Papa Bale and welcome to the channel. So I finished one of my drive coils for my new rotor. We're going to put some 3 volts into it. It's right here where the neodymium sphere is. And we're going to see if we can't get it to do what it's supposed to do. Yes. Even at 3 volts it'll work well. That's good. Because now I can use the pickup coil to charge. I don't have to use it to trigger. So we got 28 as a trigger, 28 gauge, and 20 as a drive. And as you can see at 3 volts, it's kicking butt. So cool. So the 28 gauge looks like it'll work actually rather well. So the idea is for, well, here, let me turn off the power and I'll show you. The idea is to have, and let me just set it up basically how it'll be on the rotor itself. Alrighty, now let me switch. Alright. We're just going to get a reading off of this coil, putting like 200 hertz in, like a normal pulse motor hertz, like from 350 to 400 hertz. And then you get your really fast ones, but you never get more than like a kilohertz of speed out of a pulse motor. Not a safe one, I don't think. Because I get them going like, up to 2,000 RPMs, and it's still only, in the 250 zone for frequency. So, yeah, I wish that was more simple. Okay, so we're going to clip this red one to the front lead. All right. Now, before we turn the power back on, we got to clip the signal generator up to Okay, we'll reset this. Okay, we'll go frequency, drop it. Start at 2 hundo. Now the idea is when the magnet, when the coil set passes the permanent magnet in the stator, the pickup coil is going to, or the pickup coil is going to pick up when the drive coil pulses. And that's what we're going to get right now. I'm planning on putting 9 volts through, or 10 volt capacitor, something like that. Well, I haven't really decided exactly what the power source is going to be. I was thinking 9 volt batteries. I was also thinking super caps. Alright, let's see what we get. Did I set it up right? AC. So we're not getting much off of the 3 volts. We're getting like yeah, that's a nice sine wave, but it's really weak. It's you know, millivolts. But it's like perfect. All right, let me turn up the juice a little bit, see if we can't get something better than that with 200 9 volts. Yeah, it doesn't look much better. Oh, okay, we can get more just by turning up the hertz. Might have to run with the PWM. Oh. There we go. Had to get into the kilohertz. Yeah, kilohertz, and then we're at like 30 volts AC. That's different. You gotta get harmonic before you get any power. Because there's only like 9 volts going in right now. And we're getting 30 out, 28 of this coil right here. So, I mean, if things are set up right, I don't see a reason why this shouldn't work. Now, we're not looking to get... I'm hoping that maybe with power, this will be able to run for any amount of time will be good. I mean, if this works at all, it'll be so good. And if it works the way I think it should work, which is, you know, a very, I'd say a very efficient way of running something like this. I wouldn't say, I mean, we got a pickup coil of 30 gauge. We got drive coils of 20 gauge and 28 gauge for trigger. It's just power, you know. Should we have it start off with the battery power, and then as the caps build up, switch over to cap power? Because it's got to be going a certain speed before the caps will even be effective, you know. I mean, that much I already know. It's got to be going that fast for it to even start working. So the batteries may be a inevitability. Oh, there's suction there. Listen to that. The power didn't go up any, but I mean, well, it went up a little bit, like less than a volt, but it went up a little bit. Wow, that is so cool. So a kilohertz where it begins with a coil this size. Still going up in voltage here. Right there, that looks at 1600 is our first. Wow. That is interesting. The oscilloscope reading is like a sideways tornado. .500 peak to peak is the highest. Wow, 500 volts. That's amazing. When these things work, they work really good. 1700. We're getting 33 volts, 33.5 volts off of 9 volts in. It's AC voltage coming out though off of this pickup. But you know, rectified, I'm thinking we're getting 30 volts. So maybe the same voltage, who knows? But it's like when you hook it all together, it usually falls a little short of what you want it to be. Simply because of some rules that but we'll see how it goes. I'm not looking for forever. I'm just looking for maybe a half an hour. Because I know that every turn, you're not going to make the same amount of energy. It's either going to be more or it's going to be less. Because rarely are you not in an acceleration phase or a deceleration phase. Yeah, that's good stuff. So, yeah, man, I'm really hyped. I need to make 3 more of those coils, and then it's going to be gold. All right, thank you very much. Peace out. Have a wonderful night. Bye now.